In this video, we'll show you how to change the radiator support upper tie bar on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change the radiator support on your vehicle, you need to remove the radiator support cover to gain full access. Using a fork, remove the 4 holding rivets. Then remove the cover. The hood latch is held to the radiator support tie bar by 3 retaining bolts. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, hold the first bolt on the right-hand side of the hood latch. Then, using a 10mm wrench, unscrew the other 2 retaining bolts. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 bolts holding the radiator filler neck mounting in place. Using the fork, remove the hood lock cable retaining clip. Then, unclip the clips holding the wiring harness to the radiator support. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the 2 upper retaining bolts on the front bumper cover. Next, using the same tool, unscrew the 2 bolts on the brackets holding the radiator bushings in place. Then, remove them. Using a 10mm wrench, unscrew the last 2 radiator retaining bolts. Then remove the last 6 support bar retaining bolts on either side of the bar. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Before removing the support bar, make sure you have remembered to remove all wiring harness retaining clips to avoid damaging the harness when removing the support bar. Remove the support bar. You can order the radiator support upper tie bar used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the support bar. Install it in its slot. Then clip all the wiring harness clips back on. Roughly screw the support bar retaining bolts back on by hand. Finish tightening with a ratchet or wrench, depending on access. Then, screw the 2 radiator bushing retaining bolts back on. Screw the 2 upper bumper cover retaining bolts back on. Screw the 2 radiator bushing bracket retaining bolts back on. Screw the 2 radiator filler neck mounting retaining bolts back on. Put the hood latch back in its slot, then roughly screw the bolts back on by hand. Tighten using the 10mm wrench until it makes contact. Now it's time to check the hood latch height adjustment on the support tie bar. To do this, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Hood Latch Honda Civic. Take the radiator support cover, then position it correctly. Remember to pass the cover under the fender mountings and the grille assembly. Then put the rivets back in place. Operation complete.